Here are some examples of functions, and they should all look familiar to you from studies you've already done. Here we have a linear function. Here we have a quadratic function. Here we have something that's a little bit fancy, but this is also a function. All of these, when written in function notation, will look slightly different. This side is the same, but instead of y equals, we name the function. So this is a function named f, and the function f has a variable x. We've named this function g of x, and then we have h of x. You could have a function with more than one variable, but I'm not even going to touch that because we've got a lot to cover. We're going to keep it simple. Our functions have just one variable. We can evaluate the function at a specific value of the variable. So this is the function f of x, 2 times x plus 3. We can take f of 2, which means that anywhere there was an x, we substitute in a 2. Now, here's a habit that is a pro tip. When you do this, always put brackets around where the x was. Even if you don't feel like you need them, always do it. And the reason for that is it's going to help you keep track of things that happen with negatives. And it's also going to help you make sure that you don't make a mistake with powers. You need to know that your negatives and your powers are not going to trip you up. So always put brackets and substitute your x inside those brackets. So f of 2 is 2 times 2 plus 3. F of 2 is equal to 7. G of 2 is 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 1/7. So this is 12 minus 8 is 4 and 1/7. Or if we want to be fancy, 29/7. And finally, h of 2, well, that's 1 over the square root of 2 minus 1. This in here becomes 1. The square root of 1 is 1. 1 over 1 is still 1.